Hello everyone, this is Sharita and you are watching Sharita's English Corner. I hope you all are doing well and I am also feeling fantastic. So in today's video I am going to tell how you can improve your topic discussion. When we are in beginning level, we need to speak more and more. But we cannot talk about daily routine every day, right? So after a certain time, we need to talk about topic discussion. But many of you feel fumble, hesitate while discussing topic because we think we don't have knowledge about topic. How can we discuss topic? And then there is one more thought in our mind. Why do we discuss topic? We want to talk about our daily life. We have to speak about our children, and then what is the role of topic discussion? I used to think like this and I never discuss topic my past journey. But the moment I realized no, that topic discussion is very important, since then I have started topic discussion. Topic discussion makes your mind sharpen, your vocabulary strong, and your mouth muscles habitual to speak spontaneous. As you can see, nowadays I can speak fluently without fumbling. I have realized that nowadays my tongue never twist. I never misspeak. Though I make grammatical error, but I guess my tongue is sharper these days. So why it happens when you do topic discussion? Because when you answer, then it's easy to give answer, because I am talking about, hey, how do you do, how, what do you do in your daily lives? Definitely you have practice a lot about your daily routine at all, so you can give answer very easily. But the thing, when I start talking about discussion, for example, okay, let's talk about environment. We, many of you don't even know how, don't even know about environment, what is the exact meaning of environment. So this is the way we can expand our knowledge as well as our mouth muscles, and we can make our brain sharper in this way. When you have to speak spontaneous, definitely you will force your mind to find something related to topic. And I know it may feel difficult in the beginning time, but gradually you feel that you have gained lots of knowledge because of topic discussion. So that's why today I will discuss one topic as an example, and you have to do the same, because we are here to learn this language. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected with my upcoming videos. Let's begin. Today's topic is environment. I will give you an example how you can talk about topic. So environment is everything around us: water, land, people, trees, animal. And these days population is increasing and people are cutting trees. Because of this, our planet is facing many challenges like global warming. So we need to plant trees, uh, stop using plastic, so that we can help our surrounding. We need to clean our surrounding. We need to stop using excess of anything like electricity, water. We need to save things so that our children can survive better in their future. So in this way you can discuss topics. You don't need to speak memorized things. You have to speak real English, natural English. Okay, so please support me to grow. Bye bye.